Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda, and for today's video, I wanted to show you guys my Christmas decor. Now, a few months back, I did a video like this where I showed you my Halloween decor. So I kind of wanted to do the same thing just in the spirit of the holidays. I think it's so much fun to revamp your room, to even just change your bedspread to something different. It just makes the whole atmosphere so much more joyful. You get so much more into the Christmas spirit. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I did this year. So let's go ahead and see my Christmas decor. Okay, so when you first walk in, I have my holiday houses. These are by Department 56. If you've seen my other video, my Halloween video, you would have seen my Halloween houses. So these are what my Christmas houses look like. This one is the Let It Snow house. This is Santa's Hot Cocoa Cafe. This one is the Nutcracker, and she spins on the top, which I love. And then this is just a little accessory of Santa with a bunch of trees. Then if you walk over to my desk, I have this, which I got from Target, I believe last year, which I love. It's just a ceramic tree, and it lights up. It has a little star at the top. And I like this one because it's on a timer, so I hate when holiday lights, you have them and then you have to turn them all on. So this is great that it's on a timer. And then I also just have this little white tree. See that it's kind of sparkly. This one is from Pier 1. And then on my chair over here, I have Santa Claus. I believe that's from Pier 1 last year. And then I have the last year Mickey Mouse. And he has little ornaments hanging from his antlers. And he has a scarf. And then this is a little Baymax. So cute. And then up here I just have a Merry Christmas sign. This is from Target. It's just wood. And then it's just Merry Christmas with trees and little houses. If you go to my bed, this is my bed cover. This is from Pier 1 Kids, I believe, or yeah, Kids. This is from Kids. It's in a queen size, and it has Bumble, and then Santa and Rudolph, and Christmas trees. It's so cute, and I love Pottery Barn stuff because they're just so cozy and comfortable. And then to go along with it, I actually found this one at Target, so he's Bumble as well. Just like a little stuffed plush, and then a reindeer pillow from Pier 1. And then has the matching pillowcases. And here is my tree. I got this from Target a few years ago. If you can't really tell, it's rose gold. It's a fake tree. And it has a Mickey tree skirt on the bottom. And then a whole bunch of ornaments that I've collected. Lots of Disney ornaments. It's a little tangled. And then a star at the top. I'll show you some of my favorite ornaments. So this is one of my favorite ornaments. I love gingerbread men. I love anything really to do with gingerbread men. So when I saw this, I'm not sure where I got it from, but it lights up and it's just like a little gingerbread house with candy canes and candy. See, and then it has a little chimney at the top, really cute. And then I have these other gingerbread. I have a gingerbread girl and a gingerbread man, and I believe these were from Universal Studios. This is the Queen of Hearts, and Alice. And this was last year's. They usually do like a Christmas like ornament every year, like a special edition. So this was one of them. And it's from Sketchbook from Disney. It says limited edition on the back. And then my other favorite ones is, these are from the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. My brother got these for me. I believe they're from Kohl's. There's a little Nutcracker right here. Those are really cute. And these candy canes, these are so cute. They're just like plastic candy canes, and they're from the dollar store. Like, awesome. Just got a whole pack of them, and I think they look really cute. And then I also like this clear star that I got. This is the clear star. It's pretty because it just kind of reflects the light. And then this is the moon that goes with it. It's really subtle, but it just like reflects all of the light. It looks so pretty. Kind of looks like glass, but it's plastic. And yeah, so that's my Christmas tree in my room. And then on my bookcase, I have me and Ramsey stockings. This is from Target, I believe. I believe both of them are actually. And then I just wrote our names on top. Yes, my dog has a stocking. He gets presents from Santa, and he actually knows that he does get presents from Santa. So if you say like, oh my gosh, is Santa gonna come? He gets all excited, so. And the stocking holders are from Pier 1. Is Santa gonna come? Is Santa gonna bring presents? What do you think? Is he gonna bring presents to you, monkey? Yeah. Is he gonna bring presents? Santa? I also wanted to show you what we have in the living room. This is our Christmas tree in the living room. I really like this tree because you could change all of the light settings. So you could change it to like flashing, steady, and then change the colors as well. So I just have it on multicolor right now.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 Noel.
And then my mom found these really cool candles that are Christmas. Kind of look like candy canes. Little Santa. And then just little Disney figures. Scrooge, ducks. This one is Department 56 and so is this one. And I wanted to show you my advent calendar. My mom got me this from the Disney store. It's so cute. Every single day it has like a little saying that rhymes. But the best part is when you open one, what they look like. So let me find today. Here it is. So when you open it, it's wrapped. The little chocolate is wrapped inside and it says holiday laughter rings through the house thanks to the friends of Mickey Mouse. I just thought this is so cute that the chocolate is wrapped and it's different wrapping paper almost every day. It's really cute. And these are my mom's Department 56. So I have original Snow Village and my mom has Christmas in the City. So I'm just gonna show you a few of the houses. And then this year, my mom found these ornaments from Aldi's and they're just wrapped chocolates. So we put them on a mini Christmas tree. Probably one of my favorite decorations because they're Mickey topiaries that we got from Lowe's. And they light up. They're so cute. I think they're made for outside, but they're really cute inside, so. And then here's Santa in the corner. He used to dance, but he doesn't work anymore. He's just creepy Santa now. And then on our dining room table, I got these candlesticks from Pier 1. They're from a while ago, so I'm not sure if you can find them yet, but they're so cute. Santa and Mrs. Claus. And I popped this pillow over here. This is from Pier 1 as well, the little nutcrackers. So that's it for my Christmas decor video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope I kind of got you in the Christmassy spirit. This is my favorite time of the year. So do make sure you subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.